Lepo pozdravljeni z severa Finske, bolj natančno Laponske, kjer, če morda vi že te dni skačete v kratkih rokavih, je še vedno kar huda zima. Minus tudi čez dan in seveda jezera, ki jih imajo Finci več kot 180 000, so zamrznjena. Kar pomeni, da različne vozniške akademije naredijo na teh jezerih prave dirkaške steze.
But on the ice driving, very important thing is that you keep smooth. You use the weight transfer, look, turning the car the other way, and just be very easy. Not trying too hard, because you know if you don't brake early enough and you're trying too hard, you will enter to the snowbank straight away. So the most important is how do you use steering and how do you use the throttle.
But it looks so easy with you, you know.
Been practicing quite a lot this from when I was 10 years old boy.
Gospod, ki drsenje po ledeni ploski trenira že skoraj 50 let, je nihče drug kot najhitrejši človek, ki se je z avtom vozil po ledu. Legenda relija, 4-kratni svetovni prvak, Juha Kankkunen še vedno drži rekord 330 km/h.
I still enjoy it very much because, you know, ice driving is sort of art. It's like dancing with the car. And nowadays there is not many places in the world anyway where you can drive. But here you can be free. You can feel that you are free and play with the good car and drive sideways and enjoy your driving. And I still like it. I'm waiting for it the whole summer when we get to the ice.
Razlika med ledeno stezo in pa tisto, ki jo poznamo z asfaltnih cest, je ta, da je težko ločiti pravo stezo s temi obrobnimi točkami oziroma izletnimi conami, saj je konec koncev vse belo in moraš biti zelo pazljiv. Led pa ne dopušča nobene napake. Poglejte. Tule pridejo v upoštev samo tiste pnevmatike z ježevci, ki so pa pri nas žal prepovedane, ampak tudi roko na srce nimamo nikakršne možnosti, da bi to probavali na takšnem ledu in na takšni stezi.
We are using little bit special tires and longer spikes always, because this ice can get very, very slippery. And if it's very slippery and you don't have any traction, you cannot really learn anything. So the car has to be braking, turning, doing all the things what you want it to do.
Tale podlaga, oziroma del, po katerem hodi, tu se vozi. Če pa naredite napako, pa je dobra stvar, da v bistvu zdrsnete na izletno cono, kjer pa je najhuje, kar se vam lahko zgodi to, da vas potegnejo ven s kakšnim velikim traktorjem ali pa da se vam kdo od inštruktorjev ali kolegov malo nasmeji.
There's a lot of tourists coming and somebody wants skiing, cross country, downhill, huskies, motors, snow scooters, and some more people would like to come and drive as well. We are like part of the local, you know, tourism. In the other hand, that we give our point over that, and we have people coming around the whole world, basically.
O dinamični vožnji smo v avtomobilnosti že govorili. V planici, sicer v kombinaciji s pogonom quattro, ampak 4-kolesni pogon v principu povsod deluje enako. Saj se še spomnite Andrejeve zgodbe o pumi in zajcu. No, te delavnice bomo v avtomobilnosti še ponavljali, zato bodite pozorni in spremljajte naš MMC, ko boste dobili novo povabilo.